Welcome back, kiddos. Today, we're going on a fun journey with 20 awesome activities to keep our minds and bodies super healthy. Time. Kiddos, isn't it always fun to spend quality moments with our family? Yeah, that's right. You can spend time with your family by playing games together or going on fun picnics. It's important because it helps us build strong bonds like the people we love and create happy memories with them. Now let's move on to the next one. Hooray! Healthy eating. Kiddos, it is also important for you to eat healthy meals. Eating healthy foods help us grow strong to have lots of energy for playing and having fun. Remember this, kiddos. Eating at regular times will keep our tummies healthy and happy. Okay, kiddos, let's proceed to the next one. Woo-hoo-hoo! Exercise. Ooh, this is a fun one, kiddo. Going exercises like stretching or yoga makes our body strong and flexible. It also helps us feel happy and calm inside. Right, kiddo? Yeah! Let's move forward. Outdoor plenty. I know you'll love this, kiddos. Outdoor play. Play outside is super fun. You get to run, jump, and explore nature. Love it! It's super fun to discover new things and have fresh air to breathe. Okay, now let's learn our next healthier activity, kiddo. Brilliant! Indoor play. You'll also find this activity equally fun, kiddos. In the play can be building blocks, solving puzzles, or playing with your ponies. These activities are super fun to do, and it can help your imagination grow while staying cozy inside. Now let's move to meditation. It is also important to practice this one, kiddos. Meditation. Meditation helps us feel calm and happy by taking deep breaths and relaxing our minds. Wow! You can try it by sipping quietly, closing your eyes, and taking slow breaths in and out. Now let's move to the next routine. Yes! Rest well and sleep early. So don't forget these, kiddos. Resting well and sleeping early helps our bodies grow strong and gives us energy to play and late the next day. Nice! It's like recharging our batteries so we can have fun adventures every day. Play sports. For sure you'll enjoy this activity, kiddos. You can play sports like basketball, soccer, hockey, or swimming, and many more. Great! It is important because sports are super fun and help us make new friends while staying active. Lula Lula!